Hello everybody! Today we're going to unpack and take a close-up look at the Superdry pack-away bag. So let's first take a look at the details that's on the outer clear plastic bag packaging. And now let's go ahead and open up the package or clear plastic bag by peeling open the flap and sliding the Superdry pack-away bag from it. And of course, with the clear plastic bag packaging, recycle and reuse it thoughtfully and keep it away from babies, children and animals, and giving you a full and clear look at the Superdry pack-away bag in the Fluoro Pink color. And there's just some inner packaging material that's also recyclable, so we can recycle that as well. And once again giving you that full and clear look at this Superdry pack-away bag in the Fluoro Pink color. And now taking a look at the hang tags. So there are a couple of hang tags and giving you that close-up look, perhaps one at a time. And the other hang tag with the steps on how to pack away the pack-away bag. And now giving you that look once again, and for some perspective, just resting my hand on the front pocket compartment of this bag or backpack or daypack, and perhaps in the middle as well for a bit more perspective. Okay, so now taking a close-up look, so we can see that it does have what appears to be a ripstop like fabric or textile, providing durability, and of course that Superdry branding at the front pocket, which appears to be a soft, clear or semi-soft plastic with that Superdry branding molded into it. And of course with the zippers as well, we can see that the zipper is in pink along with the pull tab and slider too. And at the top we can see the double slider closure. And just to puff up the backpack to give it a bit more shape, so you have a better sense of the design of the backpack. Just spreading out to give you that side profile, and of course top down as well. And we can see those black shoulder straps along with a carry handle or loop. And taking a look at the back, once again we see that overall pink design. And now taking a close-up look at the carry handle and the shoulder straps as well, which we can see are made out of nylon and have a very thin design, but of course nylon being very durable, there's no real reason for it to be thick. But as you can see, they are just simple nylon straps without any padding on the underside as well as the front. And of course there are toggles for adjustability. So right there giving you that overall detail with the shoulder straps, toggles, and the back panel of this Superdry pack-away bag in the Fluoro Pink color. And at the base, just giving you a look at the base as well, or bottom. No padding whatsoever. Just right throughout, designed to be light and being able to be packed away. So side profile this time round, facing the right, to give you some sense of the width or depth of the backpack. And this time round, taking a look at the close-up details with the stitching and the zippers on the side. So right there, as you can see, chunky zipper for both the front zipper pocket compartment as well as the main compartment. Okay, so now let's take a look at the front compartment, just undoing that zipper, as you can see, sliding the slider right across and giving you a look inside. So you can see the polyester, which appears to be or have a ripstop design, making it very, very durable without having to be too thick or heavy. And just to give you some sense of the thinness of the material or thickness of the textile, you can see my hands or fingers moving on the outer side of this front panel. So just pushing up against it as well. So very, very tough fabric. And let's zip it closed, but nonetheless giving you just one more look into the compartment. Give you some sense of the size of that front compartment for this backpack. Now let's zip it closed. And move on to the main compartment. So giving you a look at the double sliders, and let's slide it open. And we can see just how chunky those teeth are on the zip, and giving you a look directly inside. So I'm just going to set it down a bit more so you have a better sense of the volume or capacity that this backpack can handle. And we can see that it can spread really, really wide open given the softness of the material. And right there, spreading it all the way open towards and into the base or bottom of the backpack. So once again, giving you a look at the overall kind of sheerness of the material, which I think is a ripstop fabric, and see just placing my hand on the underside or outer side of that front panel. And I'm just going to wave it across so you can just about see. It does show some shape or form right through the textile or fabric. And we can see on the inner front panel there is a zipper compartment. Let's open it up and giving you a look inside. So a shoulder strap here with a clip fastener and plenty of length there. And we can see the Superdry or SD branding on that panel there. And of course the inner tags as well, or labels. And there is a stack of them with the care instructions as well. So overall giving you that thorough and detailed look. Okay, so that's the inside and outer sides covered. Let's zip it back up. And of course, for security reasons, always make sure double zippers are kept to the extreme left or right. So right there, once again, the Superdry pack away bag, laying it completely flat and giving you that full look at it. And let's try to convert it into its pack-away form. So opening the backpack, and tucking the back panel in, perhaps. And I'm not even sure if I'm doing this right, but let's have a look at the instructions to see if we can convert it properly. So there we go, giving you a look at the details right there. It says undo all zips and open the top flap fully. So let's try and return it back to its opened up state. And let's open that front zipper compartment since it mentions opening all zips fully. And then it says push bag up from the bottom through the inside pocket. Okay, so I think it's just a case of turning the entire bag inside out. And there we go. We now have a fanny pack or sling bag. Okay, so they're fully converted. The backpack into a fanny pack or bum bag. Or waist pouch, so many different ways of calling it. All right, there, giving you some sense once again. And giving you that full look at it with a rounded base right there. And let's convert it back. So undoing the zipper and just simply turning everything inside out, and of course packing away the fanny pack that's integrated into the inside of the backpack. And of course there was no need to undo that zippered front compartment at all. And there we have it, back to its default backpack state. So that's the Superdry pack away bag. Thanks for watching and happy carrying!